Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, everyone, and hello, Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from this category. Family members, with words like mother and father.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1.
Phrases.
Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Family members. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. Sister. Sister. Brother. Brother. Grandmother. Grandmother. Grandfather. Grandfather. Baby. Baby. Aunt. Aunt. Uncle. Uncle.
I know some family words now.
Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary we learned. Nexo. Match the image with the correct word.
Father. Aunt. Sister. Mother. What is this? Mother. What is this? Father. What is this? Sister. Brother. Uncle. Grandmother. Grandfather. What is this? Brother. What is this? Grandmother. What is this? Grandfather. Uncle. Baby. Aunt. Brother. What is this? Baby. What is this? Aunt. What is this? Uncle.
How was the quiz, Nexo?
It was good. I liked it.
Now let's hear the vocabulary in context.
Family members. Mother. My mother is kind. My mother is kind. Father. My father is tall. My father is tall. Sister. My sister is happy. My sister is happy. Brother. My brother has a ball. My brother has a ball. Grandmother. My grandmother makes soup. My grandmother makes soup. Grandfather. My grandfather reads a book. My grandfather reads a book. Baby. The baby is small. The baby is small. Aunt. My aunt has a red bag. My aunt has a red bag. Uncle. My uncle drives a car. My uncle drives a car.
Now, it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will match the picture and the sentence.
My mother is kind. B. My father is tall. A. My sister is happy. C. My brother has a ball. A. My grandmother makes soup. B. My grandfather reads a book. B. The baby is small. C. My aunt has a red bag. C. My uncle drives a car. A.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson.
The lesson was clear and fun.
I liked this class too. Goodbye, everyone. Please continue with the next lesson.